These might be the most interesting skincare serum that I've got. This is the Kora Organics Turmeric Glow Drops Niacinamide with niacinamide, which is an alternative for face serum, for radiance texture, pore appearance. This is also a certified organic and vegan. So I don't know if you've ever tried this, but I had some friends suggest at work to use some turmeric and lemon and use it as a face mask. It worked okay, but my face turned a little yellow from the turmeric. But thankfully, this doesn't. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, and obviously, I have to give my honest opinion, and I had to try it, especially after that experience. So what makes this really interesting, this does actually have turmeric in it, which will help nourish and improve skin tone. This has cowberry and birch bark, which is a niacinamide alternative, which will even skin tone and texture while calming. Hyaluronic acid and Atlantic seawater, which will lock in moisture and reduce the look of pores. So that all working together, this will soothe, even, and refresh your skin. But what you really want to know is this going to turn your skin yellow? Like my old turmeric mask will. And let's check it out, and spoiler, no, it won't. So as you can see, this is what it looks like in the pipette, and we're just gonna put it right on, and this will make your skin look beautifully hydrated, nice and glowy. This will also help soothe your skin and just give you that bright, youthful, glow that you always want. So if you're looking for a mask with kind of old school proven ingredients, this is the one you need.